we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And if you include property details, there is some attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and numbers online that outline advisors to enjoy your stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is superb. It is but to enjoy the surroundings. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property.